channel. So here is the Swakop Uranium CGN company in Namibia. Now open few vacancies for technician maintenance, engineer mining, senior office safety, graduate mechanical engineer and graduate electrical engineer. Graduate mechanical and electrical engineer, the closing date is 29 April, and the others for technician maintenance, engineer mining and senior officer safety, the closing date is 4 May. So as you can see, the requirements for the technician maintenance is job in Erongo region. This is the requirements. You need a grade 12 or current tenancies with 20 points and over 5 subjects, national technical diploma with vocational trade certificate in electric field, minimum 3 years post trade experience in engineering environment, experience in Caterpillar Bell, and you can see all of that what you needed. Okay, now for the engineer mining, you can see BSc BTech degree in engineering, minimum experience of 3 years of working experience in open pit mining environment, and blasting certificate registered engineering council in Namibia, and the valid driver license. And now the third one is senior officer. For this you can need a bachelor degree in safety and health management, a certificate, and 5 years of experience. 2 years should be a supervisor, and experience in inspection, and also you need a driver license. And just like that, you also have need this is the internship, I guess. Yes, mechanical engineering internship. You can see the requirements here. If you are met with all the requirements that mentioned, just collect your all documents, your CV, your passport number and everything, and then if you wanna apply, you can that direct click on apply button. You can fill all your details, and the CV should not document should maximum allowed size is 4 MB, so you can't put that over 4 MB. Okay, and you have to click on yes I understand on that, and also yes I confirm. You have to both select, and then you can submit, and then your application is submitted. That's how you can apply for a job for this company. So we will posting a jobs alerts daily, new job alerts, and we post vacancies. So just subscribe our channel and turn on that bell button. Thank you very much.